Hi, welcome to Summary P. This is my first video for 2026 and I've been away down under, so I'm back here now in Sweden, and today I'm going to share a tangy, moist, orange spelt flour muffin. So let's get mixing. In my large bowl here I've got my spelt flour. It's white spelt flour today, 200 grams. It's about 1.5 cups, plus 30 grams of corn flour. That just lightens the mixture up. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. You can swap that out for vanilla extract. Just going to whisk those together. So in my second bowl, I've got 113 grams of melted salted butter. That's just because that's what I've got in the cupboard. I've got 185 grams of sugar. And I've got some orange zest from my orange, 2 teaspoons. And I've just got 1 egg here. Now, if you want to make this vegan, you can swap that out for a flax egg or a chia seed egg. And that's just 1 tablespoon of flax seed that's ground with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it together, make it go jelly-like for it takes about 5 minutes, or use a teaspoon of chia seeds. I've just whisked that egg into my oat milk here. And I've got, just checking my notes here, I've just got 1/2 cup or 113 grams of oat milk. And I've got 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Now that's all my wet ingredients. Just going to pop it into the bowl there. I'll bring the dry ingredients back. I'm just mixing all of that wet ingredients onto the dry. All I need to do now is stir that until it's combined and there's no floury bits. If you've clicked on today for the first time, welcome. I love sharing recipes with spelt flour. I also do recipes with buckwheat flour and some other gluten-free flour blends, and I love sharing some healthy dinner ideas or some extra tips around the kitchen. And I have a website called summaryp.com, and you can become a free member or a paid member where you get extra recipes and videos, and it's only $30 US a year or $3 a month. Now that's all good to go, and I'm going to pop it into my muffin tray. Oops, just got another little bit of liquid here. I'm going to zoom you in so you can have a look at a close-up version. Before I started filming, I've got the oven heating up at 180 degrees C with a fan. I'm just going to scoop this into the tin. And silly me, I've just noticed a little bit of flour. So I need to give it one more mix. Now I'm ready to bake these in my oven for 20 minutes. So my muffins are all cooked. They smell delicious, and I'm going to open one up and try it for you. They're still lovely and warm. Moist, tangy, delicious. The tops are crunchy when they first come out of the oven. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe today. Let me know if you give it a go. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and jump over to Summary P if you want the full recipe. Thanks for watching. Hej då from Sweden.